How to use Gamma AI for PPT presentation 2025. Now, if you want to go ahead and create a PowerPoint presentation for yourself in the easiest and most straightforward way, what you do is you come over to your Gamma AI, just as so. And what we're going to do over here is we're going to go ahead and click on Create New. Once you click on Create New right here, it's going to ask you what you want to generate. So I'm going to click on Generate, and right here, we're going to choose Presentation. You can also choose how many slides you want. Let's say I want 5 slides. And now you can create whatever you want. So describe what you would want to make. So I'm going to go ahead with write a presentation on, let's go with the extinct animal remains found. Okay, so that is what we want it to write a presentation on. So as you can see, it's going to give us these cards. So you can change these cards if you want to. And beyond that, you can also choose the style. So let's say I want to go with this style. Then we have content. Do you want it brief, medium, or detailed? I want to keep it brief. And then the images, let's say I want to go with the web images. And once all of that is done, simply click on generate. So once you click on generate, you're simply going to wait for it to load up. And it shouldn't take you a lot of time. As you can see, it loads in and creates these great looking slides as it goes on right in front of you. And look at this. The images are extremely good. They're extremely HD, and it gives us good information as well. So, that is basically how you can go ahead and use Gamma AI for PowerPoint presentations. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.